Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. You have Shane and Micah today. Here to show you this dark blue and two-tone gray 1992 Ford Mustang 5.0 liter. This car is built to the hilt. I'm not going to get into detail about the build. It'll all be very much broke down in the description. I can say I see a nice set of weld wheels, a nice big cowl hood. It's a manual transmission, of course. You can see inside the doors. It does have a roll bar, and it does have the racing seat belts. Please, when you look at this car, just read the description. It's going to be very detailed on this build, and we're going to take it for a ride and see how fast she really is. Come and check it out at Skyway. Alright, well, we're here to do our test drive on our ridiculously hot rodded 1992 5.0 Mustang. I mentioned in the previous video this vehicle is highly built. Please read the description for the build itself. It'll tell you more about it. In the meantime, we're going to take it for a little ride. We're not going to use the Nitrous for this ride.